Roshni. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm studying in Kazan State Medical University, which is in Kazan. The best thing about Kazan is the faculty and the availability of real study materials here. The teachers are very helpful and not like in other universities. Like unlike in other universities, you get real cadavers to study on. So you get to study on real cadavers here, which is the best thing for a medical student which could happen. There are libraries, there's a national library, and within the university also there are 2 libraries. You can sit and study peacefully. And coming to the teachers, they even help you out with some of your personal things. They are very down to earth, they are very helping, and personally teacher to student interactions are also very nice. Like they give you one-on-one attention in each and every class. The student to teacher ratio is very good, like 1 teacher to 10 or 8 students at times. So you get one-on-one attention from your teachers. Coming to the connectivity and safety of the city, like being a girl, I feel very safe moving around anywhere here because the public transport is very connected in the city. Coming to food and stuff, there are Indian restaurants here. You can sometimes order food, Indian food from people who make messes and stuff. And if you are willing to cook by yourself, there are many things which are available here. Indian things, like you can cook and eat very well. It's not like you won't find things or safety, security. It's nothing to worry about. The crime rates here are very, very low. You wouldn't have to worry about your safety or security. The roads are way cleaner and the weather is very good. It doesn't get too much cold over here. And anywhere you go, you get heaters inside, even in the schools, even in the bus, and obviously in the university and the places you're living in. So weather won't be such an issue, even if it's cold. And most of the times it's spring or summer like this. So yeah, I personally take direct flights only. It is very easy. You get a connecting flight from Hyderabad to Dubai, and then Dubai to Kazan. It is very easy. It's a journey of around 6-7 hours, that's it. And the flights are very continuous, like they are very frequent. You wouldn't have to worry about the connectivity. Accommodation over here is good. The hostels are good. Few of them are newly renovated and the others are being renovated. But if you don't choose to live in a hostel, you can even take an apartment. You can rent an apartment, which is also easily available. There are many students here living in apartments. The people are also nice. So yeah, it's a very good place to live. You don't have to worry about. Thank you.